What are the tools for company analysis? The tools for company analysis, number one, study of company background and non-financial information. So when I say non-financial information, what does it mean? It means to study everything other than the P&L, balance sheet and the cash flow statement. Everything else is non-financial information. So that is what you have to read and study and understand about the company for which you are doing valuation. So it would mean what? It would mean company's background, promoters background, who the management are, what the products of the company are, what the markets of the company are, which are the number of companies in the group, which are the other operations of the company, which are the geographies where the company's operations are there, what kind of market reputation the company has, what kind of reputation the products of the company have, what is the history of the company, what have they done in the past, are there any scams or such matters associated with the promoters. So all this you have to and what kind of approach the management has towards the operations. So all that you will need to find out. That is number one, study of non-financial information about the company. Number two, of course, financial statement analysis. And that means what? That means look at the balance sheet, look at the profit and loss, and look at the cash flow statement. But remember, more than looking at the profit and loss and the cash flow statement or the balance sheet of the company, what you need to do? You need to do the financial analysis of the company using all the numbers which are given in the balance sheet of the company or in the profit and loss of the company. And based on doing the financial analysis, you need to figure out how is the profitability of the company. And please remember, profitability has to be looked at not only from the perspective of sales, but it also has to be looked at from the perspective of the kind of return the company is giving to the people who have given capital to the company, and also profitability from the perspective of utilization of the assets that the company has. So number one, look at the profitability. Number two, look at the liquidity. Number three, look at the solvency. Number four, look at the efficiency in utilization of the fixed assets. Number five, efficiency in utilization of the working capital. Number six, effectiveness in utilization of the working capital. Number seven, financial leverage or financial risk. And number eight, the ultimate profit, the real profit, and that is economic value added. And that is what you analyze through the understanding of financial statements. And then of course look at the product life cycle that we have discussed already in the very beginning of this topic. And finally also look at the McKinsey's 7S model, which is a framework for ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल इफेक्टिवनेस. यानी कि अल्टीमेटली कोई कंपनी कितना अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगी और कितना ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट कमाएगी, वो डिपेंड करेगा कि उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की इफ़ेक्टिवनेस कैसी है, राइट? उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की इफ़ेक्टिवनेस कैसी है, एफिशिएंसी कैसी है, प्रोडक्टिविटी कैसी है. And for that, to figure out that, what we need to do, we need to look at the McKinsey's 7S model, and that is what we will understand one by one, starting from the financial statement analysis.